In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to www.gmail.com in this easy step-by-step Gmail tutorial. Whether you're just getting started with email or simply need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process of signing into Gmail seamlessly and successfully. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, whichever you're most comfortable using. Now go to the address bar at the top of the page and type in www.gmail.com and then press enter. This simple action will take you to the Google sign in page. However, if you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your inbox, which saves you a step. If you find yourself on the Google sign in page, it's time to enter your Gmail address. This typically looks like your name at gmail.com. Once you've carefully typed your email address, click next. It's a straightforward step, but be attentive to ensure that you've entered your email correctly. If you happen to see multiple accounts due to other users signed in on the same browser, just look for and select the account you wish to access. Now for the next step, you'll need to enter your Gmail password. After typing your password, again, click next. This will verify your identity. And here's a quick tip. Always double check your password for accuracy, as it's easy to mistype or accidentally hit a different key. If all the information you entered is correct, you'll be granted access and redirected straight to your Gmail inbox, where you can start managing your incoming and outgoing messages. Remember, if you're having trouble logging in, make sure that the caps lock key is off, since passwords are case sensitive. A little side note, if you happen to encounter any issues such as forgotten passwords, Gmail provides the option to recover your account by clicking on the Forgot Password link provided on the login page. Follow the prompt instructions and it will guide you through the recovery process. That's it. You've successfully learned how to log into your Gmail account. With just a few clicks, you can access your emails and stay on top of all your communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in making your Gmail sign-in process a breeze. Feel free to like, share, or comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Have a great day checking your emails, and see you in the next video.